In the previous video, we have created a simple page transition animation. To create that animation, we used animation object from the transitions builder callback. But why not secondary animation? Because the secondary animation was not generating any values for us. To fix this, what you can do, you can copy this part and you can paste it here. So why we have copied this part? Because we are going to animate the third page like we animated the second page. Also we need to write third page here. So now if I print values generated by both animation and secondary animation, you will see a change. So if I push second screen, we are not getting values for the B, we are only getting 0. But when I'm pushing third screen, we are getting values for the B, but not for the A or animation. So to use secondary animation effectively, what we are going to do, we are going to animate the exiting of the second page. For this, we are going to first check if the animation, previous animation, or we can say primary animation is completed. So if it's completed, then we are going to use the secondary animation. Also, what we need to do, we need to create a different tween offset. So we can name it exit offset. Also, we need to use secondary animation. So what we are going to do, it came into the screen from the bottom. And now what I want to do, I want to exit the screen from the top. So here, what we are going to do, we are going to write offset. So it will start from the 0. So it will start from here and it will go to the top. So here we need to write 0 and here we need to write -1. Okay, so let me hot reload. So let me go back. So if I push third screen, you will see the second screen is going upwards. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.